Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral YouTube thumbnail. Like if you really like any YouTube thumbnail and want to create a thumbnail like that, you can create this with AI. So first of all, head over to the vidIQ extension and you need to install this Chrome extension and log in to your YouTube account. Then head over to YouTube and open any video, and here you will find the vidIQ options here. And if you go to the views option, you will find also the thumbnails of this video. So for example, if I want to create a thumbnail like this, or I like the thumbnail style, just click on this thumbnail, then download this thumbnail. So after downloading thumbnail, you have to head over to the Flawed AI. So if you're not familiar with the Flawed AI, just need to search in the Google for Flawed AI and just log in with a Google account. Then here you need to set up a prompt here. Don't worry, I have given the prompt in the description box, so you just can copy and paste it here. So this is the prompt here. So just copy and paste it. Then you need to upload the picture that you have downloaded. After uploading the picture, just click send here. And what does this will do? The prompt is, I have given the prompt, describe the image, and this will give me a prompt. So I'm just going to copy the prompt here, and this will give the details prompt of that image. So I'm just going to copy the prompt here. So after copying the prompt, you just need to go to the Ideogram AI, which is also a free AI image generator, and just paste the prompt that I have got from the Plot AI, and just click generate here. And after a couple of seconds, it will create YouTube thumbnails like this, as you can see. You can choose whatever you like. If you like the result here, you can just click download and download the image here. And after downloading the image, just go to any editor. I use Canva and edit the rest of the video, like add any text or color palette. So that's it, guys. This is how you can easily create any YouTube thumbnail, viral thumbnail that you like on YouTube. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.